Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Matt Hester, and in this screencast, we're going to take a look at Solution 7 and how to create a schedule backup with PowerShell. Now, this is actually a pretty straightforward script to create and write. I'm going to use a couple variables to assign, so it makes it a little bit easier to work with the commands inside the actual script. But one important note I want to make sure that you're all aware of, before you can actually run any of the PowerShell backup commandlets, you have to make sure that you've loaded the Windows Server backup PS Snap. And I generally recommend, if you're going to do these types of things, just throw this into your profile for all your PowerShell sessions so that when it instantiates, when it's called via Task Scheduler, it actually will occur properly. So for this one, I'm just going to go ahead and just run that one little command so it's there. I've already loaded the snap in, so you can get the error message here. You see the note that it's actually already loaded, so I'm going to clear that out. Now, the great thing about this is just really about adding to your policy the different targets for the C drive and the different targets for the Z drive. And after you're done creating your policies and setting up your backups, it's really then just a matter of putting this into a script file, which I've already created, called backup.ps1. Now, that's the first part, is create your policy, get the script created so actually we'll back up, and trust me, it's worth testing to make sure it works before you set up all your task schedulers. The second step is actually to work with the built-in task scheduler, and that's actually quite easy to do. So I'm going to go ahead and hit start, and I'm just going to go ahead and bring up the task scheduler that's built in onto your servers. And once the scheduler comes up, it's as simple as just making this basic task. So I'm going to go ahead and say create basic task, and we'll just call it backup the server. This backs up at midnight. Go ahead and click on next. The trigger is I'm going to have it occur daily. I'm going to have it occur daily at midnight. And if you had servers in multiple time zones, you could synchronize the tasks. The task schedules are actually really, really nice for us to work with. And I'm just going to simply start a program. Now, when you want to start a particular program or script, and specifically with PowerShell, you want to run this non-interactively so people don't see it. So it just kind of hangs out in the background. It's real simple to do. You simply run PowerShell, and you simply put in this little switch, non-interactive, and then active, and then the actual path to the script files that you have, which for me is scripts, and then backup .ps1. Now notice that that file is there. It's all set up, and that's a matter of just finish the rest of the tasks and finish that out. And now I've just created my task scheduler message so it occurs, and that will occur every midnight. So with that, I want to say thank you to tuning in to this quick screencast on how to create a schedule backup with PowerShell. Remember, first step, create your script. Make sure you've loaded the snap in for backup. And then secondly, just go ahead and create the task schedule to make sure that that works properly. Thank you and have a great day.